Okay, Cold Spring Brewery. Here's our rundown. We have 8 of them. 7. We doubled up on one. Number 1.
Are you doing your first?
Yeah, I'll do mine
list.
first. My favorite I got. Let me give you what I got first. I got the Porter. So it's a Dennisville in Porter. Right outside Cape May, Dennisville. And then we have the Cold Spring Red. We have the Eli Foster's Fruited Ale. And we have the Cape May Farmhouse. So my order that I liked the best was the Cape May Farmhouse. Is the best one. Comes at 7.1%. And then the second one would be Cold Spring Red, 6.8. And then the Eli Foster's Fruited Ale, 5.0. And then the Porter, Dennisville in Porter, 5.6. It's coffee, hints of chocolate. It's not like a beer. And then, actually, out of all those, one of Amanda's jumps mine. So go ahead.
Oh yeah, it was the fruited ale. So I had the blueberry acai sour, 6.0. The Eli Foster's Fruited Ale is the overlap, 5.0. The Summer Blonde, 5.5. And the Levi's Lager, 5.3. And I would rank blueberry acai top, then the fruited ale, and then the Summer Blonde, and then the Levi's Lager. But I also did like the Cape May Farmhouse. I'd put that top, I'd rank that 3 over the Summer Blonde and over the Levi's Lager, if I had to incorporate that as well.
And if I look at Amanda's, I would put the blueberry
Acai.
the sour one above the Porter and the Eli.
Yeah.
Blonde I would not get again.
Yeah, no.
And the Levi I would not get again.
Yeah, I get the Farmhouse again, the blueberry acai, and the Foster's Fruited Ale.
And if we could only have one beer and drink one beer, Amanda would pick
The blueberry acai sour, the newest edition.
and I would pick maybe this guy.
Yeah, did we both leave it? We both left some extra
So
to
we'll
end
see.
it on that.
Yeah, I'm going back to it. I'm going back to the
Wasn't that always your top?
It was always my top. It's still my top. The Farmhouse, Cape May Farmhouse. CMF, we call it. 7.1. And it's very smooth. We can't
Yeah, that's a
believe
good
it's
one.
only 5 IBUs. So
Which stands for?
International Beer Units. I just made that up. I think it's something.
It could pass.
It's International Bitterness Units, maybe. It has something
yeah,
to
it
do
could be
with
bitter.
bitterness. Because bitterness is
Yeah, very
how
little
hoppy
bitter.
it is. There's one guy on here, 80 IBUs, that'll blow you away. It's Finley Forge IPA.
We didn't try that one.
Very hoppy.
What was that other one? Oh, 68. Yeah, 5's fairly low.
That's it. So
What was the blueberry? Doesn't even have an IBU. That must mean because it's very not.
blueberries, no
hoppy.
IBU.
And the fruited ale has only 7, so that's low as well.
We're below. The Cape May Farmhouse is below a fruited ale. Before I leave, I'm going to ask the gentleman, how is that possible? I'm going to say, how is a beer, a farmhouse beer, IBU below a fruited ale? And I'll get exactly what IBU stands for to make sure I got that right.
Abbreviation.
If it's bitterness unit, International Bitterness Unit, if it's even close, I'd be amazed.
Is that your official guess?
That's my official guess.
International Bitterness Unit.
And we'll see what happens. And this ends this. And this is the start of our journey.
Great start.